Deontay here. Today I'm going to be showing my fidget spinners. This is my blue one. I got it yesterday because after I met Crimson Trick Shots, I got it because it inspired me. But yeah, it's my blue Crimson Trick Shot fidget spinner. I'm going to be putting Crimson Trick Shots on the middle of it. Here is my electric fidget spinner. I only have these two, but yeah, it'll do because this one inspired me off popular MMOs. But yeah, wanted to make a short video and thank Crimson Trick Shots for being an awesome YouTuber and stuff. So yeah, see you guys next time on an awesome video.